Hey you guys, what is up? So today I have for you a pretty small haul. I went antiquing recently and I have been so inspired by the things XO McKenna has been showing on her channel, so if you don't already know her, I'm sure you do. Go subscribe to her and give her content a watch if you like what I do here on my little baby channel. Box of goodies here, so let's go through and see what I picked up. So as I said, I have been really into XO McKenna lately, and she has just been showcasing all of this really awesome pottery on her channel. And she, from what I know of her, she kind of has always sort of collected this kind of stuff, but most of this is like ceramics and pottery because I've been in love with her collection and I've wanted to start my own, so that's what we did. This is a beautiful, I believe they call these, are these bud vases when they have like this little tiny opening? I don't know if this would just be a vase or a bud vase. I think a bud vase might be like little, like a tiny vase. But either way, this is a gorgeous burnt sienna vase. I mean, just look at how stunning that is. That is so pretty to me. I don't know. Something about knowing someone at some point in time made this with their hands and now it's mine. Like, that's just crazy to me, and that's like gonna be just a repeat theme throughout this video, but it's just so pretty. It's got really simple lines and design to it. It's got like these little indented lines here, and then just the shape of it is really pretty. It has like this little, almost like a corkscrew neck, but it doesn't go all the way to the top, and I love the color of the glaze. To me, this is just like stunning. I mean, it's artwork, right? Everyone thinks this is stunning, right? I don't know. Am I weird? This one is also a smaller vase. I actually picked this up at a thrift store on our way back from the antique store, but I, again, really like it. This one was the least expensive. I believe this one was $3. This one was, I believe, $6, which for the size of that is like a really generous price, in my opinion, for a piece of pottery. And this is the second one that I got. This was the $3 one from the thrift store. Neither of these first two pieces are signed, like they don't have an artist signature or anything, so I don't know where they're from or who made them or what year they were made. I have a couple pieces in here that have been signed, but as far as these first two go, I just really liked the shapes and the colors. This one's a little more cool toned, but I liked that it almost has that like sandy, sort of greenish, grayish, beige-ish tone. I don't know, I like how neutral this color is. This next piece was signed. So this was made in England by Pearson's of Chesterfield. I don't know if that's like a good brand. I don't know if this is like worth something. I paid $12 for this piece, and it is, in my opinion, just so absolutely stunning. Look at that! Oh my god, isn't that beautiful? Aren't the colors just gorgeous? They speak to me. I love too that so this sort of mustardy brownish burnt sienna color, right? Sort of mimicked in a lot of the pottery that I picked up today, but I love that it's this like straight line and it goes all the way across to the handle, but part of the handle is still that grayish color. Stunning. It does have a little spout. I did pick this up sort of with the desire to one day put like kitchen utensils in here, like a set of wooden spoons I think would just be gorgeous. I love using wooden utensils when I cook. I don't know, something about the aesthetic of it and just the feeling of like a wooden utensil versus like a hard plastic or silicone one. I don't know why I prefer it, but I do. But I just think that would be so cute, like just coming up out of here like on a kitchen counter. I love handmade stuff, you guys. I love the details in the handle. Look at that handle. That's stunning, right? Like, oh my gosh, how beautiful is that? The color is gorgeous. I mean, the glaze. I love it when the glaze, like, you can see the drips where the glaze was maybe applied a little too thick. I hate perfect pieces of pottery. This is the pottery that I like, this sort of older, imperfect pottery. I guess I'll show you this next piece because I'm actually using it currently to hold stuff for my desk, like my AirPods and all of that. But I got this little piece. This is from 1951. It's signed on the bottom, Sterling, verified, China, East Liverpool, Ohio, USA, 1951. I liked it because it almost looks like a little mushroom. Isn't that cute? I love the shape of it. I love that it looks almost very Swedish, or like sort of that minimalist style of design where it's so simple but so chic. I don't know. I really liked how it's from the 50s, but to me this looks very modern. It almost looks like it's from IKEA, you know what I mean? But like it is old, and I really liked the shape of it. I don't know, I thought it would be so cute. Again, one day you could put sugar or salt in this on a kitchen. I think that would be beautiful. Or you could put office stuff in here. You could put like paper clips or binder clips or something like that in here on a desk. Again, this is just one of those pieces that's really easy to transition like its purpose and sort of make it your own. I know Target sells really similar jars to this now, so I bought it for $5. I thought this was stunning. I don't know, I really liked it. Oh, I didn't tell you how much this was. This was, I believe this was $12, which again, for like a vintage piece of pottery, feels like a really good price. I don't know if it is, but I don't know. But this was $5, and I remember picking it up and being like, this isn't 12 bucks. Like, I'm used to really pricey antiques and collectibles and things like that. So this little haul was exceptionally priced, in my opinion. Can you see that? Let's just shift that. Can you see the mess on my desk? A little bit, but it's fine. I'm really excited about this last piece. So I do have two more things technically to show you, but only one of them is pottery. So I'll show you the non-pottery thing first because it's less exciting. I just picked up these napkins. They're literally just napkins. I really have wanted to buy cloth napkins for a while. These have kind of a cool textile design to them. You can kind of see it there where it's like this sort of diamond shape all the way around. It's very Arizona inspired in my opinion. I really like it. But I got 4 of them in a set, and this was less than 12 bucks. So if you consider, like, if you were to go on Etsy and buy cloth napkins like this with a similar design, which I believe is coming back. My last piece, the coup de grace, if you will, the most amazing piece that I have for you today is, I think it's a cookie jar. Correct me if I'm wrong. Let me see if it has a signature. It does. Official Boston Bean Pot. The pot shop. No date. Just made in Boston, Massachusetts. So it definitely looks old. I don't know if it is old. Again, because all of this stuff is coming back into style, I don't know how to authenticate these. Now I did used to work in an antique store, so I know a little bit about this stuff, but I didn't specialize in like pottery or jewelry or anything. I just sort of learned as I went. But this is my jar. My friend pointed out it looks like Winnie the Pooh's honey pot, and that got me so pumped. I used to really like Winnie the Pooh as a baby and as a kid. But I don't know, it's just, I wasn't thinking of that, but it just like, it is Winnie the Pooh's honey pot. I don't know, I really enjoyed it. But it has a top, it has a little lid. It definitely matches this in a way. This is a little more warm tone. The other one's a little more mustard, but this is a little more like that first one. But the inside is this really beautiful color. This is so stunning to me on a countertop. Come on. So like if you had this on your counter and like this holding your utensils, like, can you see it? Can you see the vision? I can see the vision, and it's stunning. I don't know. I am so obsessed with it. I love this so much. I am so excited about this piece. This was honestly just the the best score of the day. This was 20 bucks. For this, like, are you kidding? I feel like Target would try and sell this to you for like 30 or 40, right? I don't know what a bean pot is. I'm pretty sure this is just a cookie jar, but the word bean pot just confuses me. I don't know if that's the shape of the container. I don't know. I don't know what it means. I was never good with pottery when I worked in an antique store, so I'm a little confused. Technically, I have one last thing to show you. So again, this is from a thrift store, not the antique store that I went to, because this is clearly not vintage. But I did pick up this basket. It's a very big basket. It's got one of those like cotton inserts that you can remove, and so I removed it and I washed it and bleached it, so it's sanitized. But I just picked up this basket for items to go into. I don't know, it's really simple. Whenever I see a basket, I basically buy it. Kind of the same thing with pottery now. Whenever I like something, I just buy all of it until I fall out of love with that type of thing. I still love the thing, but like I won't buy it. You know what I mean? Like, do you guys have that where you like sort of go in and out of obsessions with certain items, or even like articles of clothing? Like, there was a time where anytime I saw a vintage white old lady button-up, I bought it. I own like a million of them. I love them. I still love them. I still wear them. It's not like they're going to waste in my closet. I mean, they kind of are because we're in the middle of a pandemic, so not really wearing much of fancy stuff despite my current attire, as you could probably tell. It is Valentine's Day today, so I figured I'd dress it up a little bit and have a little bit more fun with my wardrobe. This is a beautiful dress I got for sale from Reformation. Should I talk about that? Yes. Okay, so real quick before I go, I just want to say thank you guys. I've been looking on my channel lately and I have been getting a lot more traffic to a couple videos of mine. Now the oh my god, the complete opposite of Reformation. The Revice denim video, I know, is like my best performing video, and of course it is. It's got like hot tea in it, but besides that, I recently had, I believe it's my moon mirror DIY, hit over 1,000 views, and I know that that's like small, but I don't know, I'm really grateful for it, and I know I am almost at 70 subscribers, which means I'm almost at 100 subscribers. That is so freaking cool. That is ridiculous to me, and I've only been doing this for like a year, and I'm already at like 100 of you guys, and I know YouTube is like, I don't know, in my opinion, like, it's really hard to get people on your YouTube channel. I don't know. I'm really grateful. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm really grateful that you're here. I'm really grateful that you guys are liking the content that I'm putting out. I really enjoyed making it. It is definitely something that I am really enjoying as a hobby. It's really refreshing to, you know, go through my days and feel like I'm actually being productive with them, especially in this time. I am so, so grateful that you guys have enjoyed your time hanging out with me. I don't know. I love it, and I love you guys, and I hope you guys are having a great day or night or whenever you are watching this. Please stay well until next time I see you. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!